Hey there, set-goers! Welcome back! Do you want to learn how to kiss? Do you have a date coming up and you're a little bit nervous? Well, we've all been there before. And today we're going to teach you how to kiss, going over the do's and the don'ts. First off, let's start with the basics. The most important thing to remember is that you need to have consent. If you're going in for a kiss and the other person does not want to be kissed, that is not okay. Always remember to get consent before you go in for the kiss. Now let's go over some tips on how to actually do it. Do's and don'ts of kissing. First off, do's. Do make sure your lips are moisturized. Nobody likes kissing chapped lips. So make sure to put on some lip balm before you go in for that kiss. Do keep it slow and do it at a pace that both of you are comfortable with. If you're going in for a kiss and you're moving way too fast, that can be a huge turn-off. Make sure to take it slow and enjoy the moment. Do focus on the lips. We know this might seem obvious, but a lot of the time people will focus on the lips, the mouth, and forget about the kissing part. So focus on the lips, but don't just focus on the technique. Focus on the connection you're making with the other person as well. Don't think of it as just a technique. You're doing this with another human being. And lastly, don't forget to breathe. We know this might seem like another obvious one, but when you're kissing someone, you can get so caught up in the moment that you forget to breathe. So make sure to take deep breaths throughout the kiss. Now let's go over some don'ts. Don't make it awkward. If you're going in for a kiss and you're unsure about it, that will come across to the other person and it will make things awkward. So make sure you're confident when you're going in for a kiss. Don't use the kiss as a reward. A lot of times people will use kisses as a reward, like a good job. You get a kiss. Don't do that. It's not a reward. It's an expression of affection. So don't use it as a reward for good behavior. And lastly, don't force it. If the other person is not into it, don't force it. That is not okay. If they say no or they push you away, then back off. We hope these tips help you out. If you have any more tips or you have any stories of your own that you do like to share, leave them in the comments down below. As always, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.